Yo. Let's see how we get on today. Hopefully all good. Hopefully all good. Oh shoot, what'd I do? I want to move this. Well, let me just get into it. Internet seems to be okay today, but do have some new internet coming next week, Thursday on the 2nd. So I'm not sure if I'll be streaming that day. Give me 1 second, peoples. Try to get set up here. Seems okay, seems okay. So yesterday I didn't end up taking any trades because I was looking for gold to continue pushing up, which didn't happen. Yeehaw, hello. I think we should have a good full session today. I'm hoping. But like I said, didn't miss anything yesterday. I didn't take any trades. I did have my eye on gold, and gold, it really dropped, didn't it? It was a big drop. This isn't even in the right place. This is the wrong chart anyway. Alright, here we are. Alright, let's do some analysis. Let me get rid of everything. Start fresh. Alright, dailies up here. 65.31. Benny, what's good? Yeah, 65.31. So daily is bullish. We haven't pushed up and refilled yesterday's wick. If we don't manage to break the high, then I think we'll continue pulling back a bit, but super bullish on gold at the moment. 4 hour is weak bearish. We did break the previous low, but we're respecting this 4 hour support right here. So, and the daily flip. So if we continue pushing up, then I think we get a wick fill in the next hour and 15, and potentially continued uptrend structure. I like that idea. See, look, we've got a minor uptrend structure now, but we have created a lower high right here where we dropped down from this morning. So let's put some key levels in. Got resistance there at the highs, this support at the lows, and then we've got the most recent support right here, and then the most recent resistance right here. Cool. All right, so gold. I don't see any moves for gold just yet. Not just yet. But I would like it to push up to this resistance at least, 37.77. If it can keep pushing. Alright, let's take a look at pound yen while gold is doing its thing. Pound yen just looks like good old pound yen. Nothing. We're bullish, pushing up. Already broke yesterday's high, but not really going anywhere just yet. Still just within this range. Below 200. Yeah, nothing going on with GJ. I actually thought it was going to break out yesterday. I mean, earlier on, finally. Because we closed above again. But we just came right back down. GJ is very close to getting cut off. I'm going to give it to the end of the month. And then I think GJ is going to get the chop again. It's just not a fun pair to trade. Sorry, Rosie. I don't know, man. We're going to have to... I don't know what we're going to have to do, girl. But GJ is blah. Very blah. Okay, good. That's working. Perfect. Alright, so yeah, gold it is. Gold it is. For now. Let's get this gold push. How was everyone's London session? Anyone catch any trades? Any moves? Caught some quick gold sells. Well, these from around, well, I guess these sells potentially. This is actually nice closure below with a pretty clean range down. Actually dropped over 100 pips. Not bad, not bad. Not bad, not bad. Close 50. Okay, okay. Wasn't trying to do the long holds or wait till it hits the bottom of the range. Looks like it's a good idea anyway. Price are coming back up. on gold push. Maxine, what's going on? You found no trades today. Rosie either. So it was a quick scout. I think today has been slow. I didn't really see anything I liked, and because I'm more bullish on gold, because I'm more bullish and the 4-hour candles were looking like this, like we got the push up, it came right back down. I really wasn't looking at taking the sells, so I didn't like these sells here. Weren't for me. Even the buys right now, I mean, look at these 4-hour candles. There's no direction right here. I do think we push up though, so I'm waiting on right now. Did anyone take any trades yesterday? I know my friend Gbpjpy caught some of this drop. She caught some of this drop. She told me when she got out, every time she exits a trade, it drops like another 50 to 100 pips. It's crazy. That's like our thing. Someone's at my door. Give me 1 second. Whoa. Everyday packages. Oh man. But yeah, anyone else take any trades yesterday? Anyone catch any of yesterday's drop? I didn't really like this price action, and just like yesterday, I was kind of waiting for the buys up, which didn't come. But that's what I was anticipating. Instead, we dropped. Alright, new hour candle about to open. Lovely, lovely. Let's see what the 1 hour time frame is looking like. Put that here. What's your guys' thoughts on the markets today? I like that this 1 hour looks like it's gonna engulf the previous 1 hour. So, you know, confirm that push up. So if we get an engulfing, gold should push up for sure. I like that echo. I think so as well. Engulfing is definitely a like a reversal sign. So we push down. Now this candle, this bullish candle is going to engulf the bearish one. So we should continue up. We've got 1 hour for this 4 hour candle to flip bullish. But I think it looks good to continue up. I like the idea, I do. Gold is looking good right here. 1 hour breaking that high. Go on, push gold, push. Back above Asian highs as well. We can continue pushing up. So that 4 hours bullish. Now we get a bit of a wick fill, if not fill the whole wick, and just continue pushing up. Are you interested in GJ today? No, not really. I mean, I've marked it up, but look at the price action. Look at this price action. There's no trend. And then we've got, if you look, so even though it's ranging, it's not even playing the whole range. It's like a slow push up. It would be like very slow. Nah. I can't force anything in this. I find it difficult, not difficult, but it's untradeable for me. I don't have any like range-based strategies. Well, I do have a range-based strategy, but that's if it's a big range and there's volume. So I anticipate, like, if pound yen came back down to this support, respected it, because this is, you know, where we've tapped the most, then maybe buys back up. But if the structure, if the candles are coming down like this, like this, with no range, then no, I wouldn't take the buys up through like messy price action. Like if it came down like this and then look for buys up, I wouldn't take the buys through this range like this. Because the thing is, every time we've pushed up, we do have this clean range to the left. But look, I mean, we had the range yesterday. It broke above, came back down in the range. Every time we come up, we broke above here today, we've come back down. It's just, there's no direction just yet. Gold. What are we doing, gold? Making a longer bottom wick. Exactly, Rosie. It's not tradable like this. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back. All right, where are we at? Still creating this bottom wick. Are we gonna flip bullish? Benny, I might take the buys. Oh, I wouldn't take the buys, not in this range. If gold came back down and retested this support, so if it came back to 37.62, like retested, closed above, so it need to pull back, leave a bottom wick, and close higher than this last low, then I would consider taking buys on the next candle up. That's where I would look for an entry. But this area here right now, let's see. So buys, got a 56 pip stop loss if you use previous low. If you used entry candle, about 26. 78 pips at the top of the range. It's not bad. It's not bad. But yeah, it's not for me. Not for me. Not here. Still coming down. New 15-minute candles about to open. Yeah, I don't like this. Look how it's falling. And structure, the structure's still kind of bearish. What's up, Ash? I was telling them about your gold sales yesterday. Fingers crossed we have no lag today. Fingers crossed. But we ordered some new internet for the crib anyway. It's necessary, I think. We've had the same internet for years. It's time we upgraded. Was potentially looking for some gold buys, but I'm not so sure anymore. I was hoping gold doesn't range all day, because these 4-hour candles are not very telling. Because even though it's closing bullish, we've got this massive wick at the top. I was thinking about you last night when I hopped into gold buys. I couldn't hold through the night though. Hey, it's a good thing you didn't. Shit started to come back down. Started to come back down. H4 looks nasty and confusing. Very, 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 very confusing. That's why I'm not super sure of what I'm looking for. I would prefer buys. I'm trying not to marry the buy idea, but fundamentally, for me, gold is more bullish. The only thing that I think would lead to gold sells would be the impact of some news, which we don't have today, or just a sell-off from like a psychological level, people taking profits, which I think we've kind of had that already. I think we've kind of had that gold, the profit taken. Now, I didn't want to say 4,000 by the end of this year, but it could hit 4,000 by the end of this year. We still have like I'll say 2 whole months to go. 3 months, sorry. October, November, December. And potentially there's talks of more interest rate cuts. So it's only a couple thousand pips away. That's nothing. That's a week for gold. A couple thousand pips. Here we go. All right, Benny. Listen, when Benny says he's gonna do something, Benny's gonna do something. He does not play. Rebroke the previous high. Yes, it did. I mean, if you use the entry candle low as a stop loss, it's pretty nice, to be fair. Love that for you. Love that for you. All right, gold. We pushing. It's just breaking that previous 15-minute high now. Start of the new uptrend structure right here. Damn, gold. No 20 pip drop. Just can't trust gold right here. Four hours, so confusing. Was that the 30 minutes bearish again? So much volume. It doesn't look like it's moving much, but 37 pips. Very quick 37 pips. Wow. 15-minute candle nearly flipped bearish. Still respecting the previous low. Ooh, broke that previous low. The 15 now. I said, damn, that was quick. Man, that was a very quick drop. 5 minutes. One 5-minute candle just dropped 66 pips. I'm not playing with gold in this range. GJ. I'm looking, but I'm not touching. Looking, but not touching. Ooh, alright. Gold's coming back up. This price action right here is horrible. Might be getting a 30-minute continuation pattern in the middle of this range. How long we've got left? 4 minutes. So let's see if we close weak bearish and the next candle just straight up, break the high, fill the range. I need a small bearish body, or we could form a resistance and a lower high and continue down to Asian lows. Where's my market AI? Now we don't have any news today. Wednesday, no, quiet day. I say quiet, but you never know with gold. You never know. I mean, this candle happened at night, 7:30. 250 pips. Dum, dum. Said bad price action again. Yep. Jumping 10 pips up and down. And this is why I don't really close at 10 pips anymore, because you can get more than 10 pips. Stop losses can't even be 10 pips no more. There's so much volume in gold. For it to be swinging 60 pips in 5 minutes, even the push up, look how much. The push up was 48 pips and the push down 60 pips. Like, mad. So much volume. Alright, what's that? New 30-minute candle opening. And gold came straight down. Alright, we're going to break this previous low. Keep pushing. Respect this resistance. And drop. It's like an indecision candle. Long wicks on either side. Weak body. Look at this 4 hour. Now the 4 hour doesn't have much of a top wick. Obviously we're not filling this previous top wick. We've broken the low. I think we might continue down. Got to push up, make a top wick at some point. But this 4 hours giving us no direction. So US Treasury Secretary Bessent has said the Fed has been too high for too long in a Fox Business Network interview. This headline signals high-level pressure for the Fed to accelerate rate cuts, reflecting concerns that policy has remained restrictive despite a cooling labor market and persistent inflation. This increases expectations for further easing, likely weakening USD, boosting US stocks and supporting US bonds. Gold may benefit from lower rates and geopolitical uncertainty. And that was 27 minutes ago. I mean, we didn't really... I guess we did get a spike up, but... What other news have we got this week? So tomorrow we've got final GDP. Thursday, Friday, core PCE price index. Okay, so we've got some decent news coming out this week. Is that all the topic you're going to give? Looks more like a continuation pattern on the 15. Don't it? Strong bearish, weak bullish. We'll break this low, continue pushing. So GJ hit 200 and then just come right back down. Oh, go broke the low. But we are at this 4-hour support as well. So this support could hold. Look, right where the daily flip is, we've got a gold support. 4-hour support. Ooh, go on, go. Give us that retest. 37.62. Or not. Flipping hell. Feel like we might see some more sales today. Maybe down to H1 support around the 40s. Oh, you're saying all the way down. Oh, back down here. I mean, the way it's moving right now, I wouldn't even be surprised. Wouldn't even be surprised. Look, the 4-hour rejection here. I need to see gold break below this 4-hour support. Like if 4 hour can close below this support here, yeah, if we can push below this support, I think we're going to keep pushing down because we've got all of these wicks to the left. So I don't want gold to close with like a massive wick. So if we can get a closure, then what I would look for, if it closes below, then what I look for is the next candle. So we close below, next candle just retest and then come back down. Something like that. A little retest. Yeah, I wouldn't mind it. I'm taking the trade either way. Whatever the market shows me, that's what I'm jumping in on. Do. Do. 18 minutes. I barely have a top wick on this candle. We do have one, it's just very small. Boom, boom, boom. Look at GU, is that retest continuation sells? Let's check out GU. I'm gonna check out GU over here. Cause GJ ain't doing nada. Ooh. Only thing I don't like about it is it selling into this support. And this, the bullish candle's a bit big. But it looks like GU's selling off anyway. To me, the sales don't look bad right here. Damn, what happened to GU? Dollar looks like it's definitely weakening. I mean, getting stronger. Let's get some strength. Let's see. GU looks so bearish. Look at this 4 hour. Yeah, it's creating lower highs. Yeah, this thing looks like it's gonna drop. I do like the sells. Man, look at all these bearish candles. See what dollar index is doing. Dollar index is pushing up. Also a good sign for gold sells. When dollar's going up, gold's coming down. It doesn't have to happen exactly at the same time like it does for news. Let's see how DXY reacts to this 4-hour resistance. But yeah, it looks like it's pushing. Interesting. GU's tanking. Yeah, it looked like it. It did look like it for real. For realsies. Let's see this new 15-minute. I'll make a top rip, break the low, continue down. Where are you going, gold? Definitely getting a longer top wick for this 30-minute. Now the 15's broken that previous high. Oh man, this price action is crazy. Haroon, afternoon. What's going on? How you feeling? Are you recovered? Nothing like catching some pips. No trades today, no trades, not yet. Not yet. Not with today's price action. I mean, look at the markets. Started the stream when gold was pushing up. Didn't want to take the buys up here because of the range and not enough confirmations, which definitely was a good idea because we started to pull back. So just waiting for some information. Benny, I took an L. Yeah, Benny took an L. That's about it. But he's a lone soldier sometimes. Him in that 15-minute time frame, so. And that L was not on my advice either. That was not a recommended trade, but you know. Yeah, better. Had a fish and butty for lunch. Nice. Back to normal eating, yeah. Food for the brain. What is going on with gold? Nothing on GJ? Nah, absolutely not. Look at pound yen. Pound yen's even worse than gold. Pound yen is even worse than gold. It's a quiet one. I think we're going to get a late move today. If we get a move, it's going to be late. Like after New York Open, I reckon. But I am leaning more towards gold sells, and that's mainly because at first I was looking at buys. I was thinking buys, but because dollar index is really pushing up. It's really pushing up. If the dollar's going up, typically gold goes down. So I think gold is setting up for some sells. I do. But we'll see. We'll see how the new 4-hour candle opens. Took a small trade on Euro USD. Thought it would reverse, but got me bad. So one loss today. Oh no, that's annoying. Is Euro USD going down as well? Like GU, I'm sure GU is tanking. I don't even have Euro USD there. Let's have a look. Euro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It looks the same as GU. Pretty much the same. Look, GU. So it broke that support. Gone. Gone. Yeah. GU. I think GU continues down as well. I must have drew this level ages ago. Just waiting on an entry now. So for me to get into sells, for me to get into some, oh, don't want to do that. For me to get into some gold sells, what do I need to see now? Probably, I kind of want to see gold. There's two things I want to see for gold sells. Potentially a retest of 4-hour resistance. So a retest of 37.70. And the next 4-hour candle not to break the previous 4-hour high. So I'm going to be watching a 4-hour time frame and very carefully retest. Or if this 4-hour candle closes below this support right here, then I'm looking for a retest, like top wick, 4-hour top wick, and then continue down. I like buys because fundamentally gold is still very bullish. Gold is bullish fundamentally, but the DXY is dropping. We have these long 4-hour wicks to the downside. So there's a case for both directions. Gold needs to decide where it wants to go now. Goldie. Alright, so we're not gonna get the closure below in a minute and a half, less than 2 minutes. What's the next idea? We need gold to form a resistance for the retest, otherwise I don't have anywhere for gold to retest, because I don't want the new 4-hour candle to break the high. I mean, it could retest 37.77, but then it'll be breaking the previous 4-hour high as well. Oh, this price action is not is awful. Ash, you still here? I know you're looking for sells. Are you going to be using the 5 minute? I presume you're going to be using the 5 minute time frame to get those sniper entries. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, we're gonna get the bearish closure. Good on the 4 hour. Yeah, I'm still here, just sitting on my hands, right? What does gold want to do? What's it showing us? Now, structure-wise, this could be the lower high right here. We've got the high, lower high, you know, feel the wick, continue down. Rosie said same. If it plays around Asian highs, I might take sales from there. Okay. Okay. Where's Asian highs at? Oh yeah. It's right by previous 4 hour highs as well. So I like that idea. If we don't break this 4 hour high, I think we get some good sells. So I was thinking retest of this little resistance to come down, but that's just happened like super quick. So if I do get into some sales, I'm gonna have to wait for just a little bit lower, just because of the way my strategy plays out. So I need gold to, I just need a candle to close below 37.64. So close below, then a retest, and then get in like at the retest, like at 37.64. Kind of looks like a continuation pattern here. Let's see what dollar index is doing. GJ's not doing nothing. Dollar index still pushing up. Making a bottom wick. GU2. Oh, but it's a waiting game now. Let's go wait and see. What do you want to do, gold? I think this might just be the new 4-hour top wick. So we're tapping into this 4-hour resistance. Now if we respect this high and then we flip bearish, then I think we come down. But at that point, it's just where would the entries be? Gold is too confusing. It is. I mean, yeah. The thing is, if you don't see any of your setups, it's no thing if you don't see. You just have to wait for one of your setups. That's it. The confusing thing for me would be not knowing what setup I want. Is that the door again? Give me 1 second. Alright. Oh, goes in the same place I left it. Lovely. Oh. I was talking with my mic off. Alright, let's see how it acts to this previous 4-hour candle high. Because even though this candle, the previous candle was bearish, it closed with a very long wick at the bottom. Very long bottom wick, which could be seen as a rejection from the lows. So I don't want to see this 4 hour break the high, but if it does, I think gold pops. We fill this wick right here. Oh, DXY is still going crazy. Still going crazy. Very close to breaking this 4 hour high. Gold is making us wait today. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yeah, I think it's going to be a late move, to be honest. I think it's going to be a late move. Trading builds your patience. Right? You got no choice. Being impatient is too costly. You learn that the hard way. Come on, gold. Just watching this 4-hour candle, the fact that it's just not pushing up. And then also the previous 4-hour candle didn't really drive up much as well. Didn't make much of a top wick. Oh, spoke too soon. Looks like it's about to break the high. Alright, Goldie, are we forming a higher low right here? Because we respected this 4-hour support. See if he can, see if gold can fill this range. Or if we get the next 30-minute candle creates a lower high. So something like, because we've got these lower highs. Do, 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 do. Dum, dum, dum. Oh. Still pushing, still dropping. Come on, gold. Let's reject Asian highs. It looks like it is, right? Ooh. Tanky banky. I would like the next 30-minute candle to create a lower high. That would be nice. And then if this 4-hour flips bearish, you know, it drives down, rebreaks its own low, keeps pushing. But I don't have like a specific entry for where we are now. So I would have to wait for, like I said, at this point where I'm at, because I don't have a key level like right here, I would have to wait for some sells below this 4-hour support. So I need sells below, like below here. So just by where the daily flip is, so something like, could probably use this support here. So if gold closes below the support, then retests, then I'm taking an entry right here. I'll take an entry on this retest. So that's what I would be looking for. How about the daily flip? Only reason I wouldn't take a sell bouncing off the daily flip is because of this support right here. Yeah, so I need it. Oh, okay, you see. Yeah. Little delays in that. This is nice. This is nice. Closing bearish. I know where you getting. I bet you're already in. This nice little rejection here. Boom. I can see you being in already. Come on, Goldie. To the flow. I know, I already know. I already know. I like it, I like it. This is kind of like a gold fake out. It wasn't a cowboy because it's planned. You know what you was looking for. You don't, even if you didn't have a specific entry, you were prepared to take an entry based on what you anticipated was happening. That's how I knew you was in, because you wanted a rejection of that daily flip. Price started to come back down. Sometimes you just gotta there was a guy that used to be on the stream, Winfinity, and he used to say, because he's looking to hold moves, it doesn't matter where you get in. Your entry doesn't have to be precise because you're looking for a lot of pips. And I was like, you know what? I like that. I like that. I do like that. So, I know how you trade. Shit, we've been trading together for like, I want to say at least 5 years now. At least 5 years. And that's like sharing charts and shit. Ain't that crazy? I was thinking 2021, 2020 when we was talking about gold and stuff. Going on 6, yeah, for real. The old heads. I can't take cowboy trades on stream. Got to be accountable. Right. It's the WhatsApp days. That WhatsApp's got stories in there. It's got charts in there, boy. You got what do you call it? Just talking about flipping. Just talking about prop firms and stuff. Going through all of that. All 100k accounts, 50k accounts. Yo, we were wilding. Good times, good times. Great times. Oh, golds. Hope you get to Asian lows. Yes, yeah. Do you know what? Because I want to get in, I want gold to push down. I would actually take a 15-minute entry. So if gold can push below 37.62 in the next, before this 15-minute candle closes. Yeah, we can do that when you have good paying jobs. So if gold pushes down below the support and the next 15 top wick taps into the support, I would take the sells down through the range. So break, we close, next 15, retest, boom, boom. So it's kind of like the breakout strategy, but I'll take a retest entry. Or even a break at a low, whichever one happens, maybe multiple entries. But yeah, we going down, down. Dun, 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 dun. So come on, 15-minute candle, drop for us. That was crazy. I was actually thinking about buys. I was actually thinking about buys off this support here earlier. Remember? I was looking for the retest, but that's before price created this higher low. But with the structure, how it is now, staying in the Asian range, price creating lower highs, dollar index being so bullish. Alright, so this, I have a feeling this entry, if it's going to play out how I'm anticipating it to play out, it's going to be a very quick entry. So if you're trying to take this trade, you might have to make a move quicker than you hear me saying I'm taking a move. If that happens, I'm looking for a closure below, a break of this support, either a retest, my entry would be a retest of 37.62 or a break of the 15-minute low if it closes below the support. So it's 15-minute breakout or 15-minute retest, top wick retest for the sells. Gold has been moving so crazy in terms of price jumps per week. Like Monday was wild. We are over here saying 4,000 soon. Yo, we might as well be at 4,000. Look, we're closer to 4,000 than we are to 3,000. Look how close we are to 4,000. Look, when we hit 3,000, we hit 3,000 in March. In March. Wait, how long did it take for us to even get to 3,000? So we're in 2,000, got to 2,000. All right, we settled last year. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. A year. We were in the 2,000s for over a year. For over a year. And we'll be in the 3,000s in like less than 6 months. Bruh. Ooh. Alright, 6 minutes to go. Entry's coming soon. Entry's coming soon. Just waiting for this 15-minute now. So we're getting in a bit lower. But we still have a nice range down to at least, we've got 100 pips at least down to Asian lows. If we can get the retest entry, that's a nice 100 pips down. And I'm anticipating if we do get in, that we break this previous 4-hour low and drive down. Because look, this previous candle closing bearish gave the downtrend its lower high. I like it. Dum, 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 dum. Oh, how'd I post that here? Come on, gold. And I like the sells because the daily will be bearish. When I'm in, the 4-hour is obviously bearish. That's it, gold. Alright, don't do too much now. Still have 3 minutes left. Don't do the most. Now, if gold doesn't close below 37.62, then I'm still potentially looking at an entry if it breaks this 4-hour low. So 37.49.67 to be super precise. I'm still looking at sells if we break that 4-hour low. Alright, 60 seconds till we get our entry for our 100 pip move. Actually got to be up, what, nearly 100 pips already. 70, 80 pips. Dun, dun. Wow, gold. That's where you want to close, right on the level. That's crazy. Close, first entry. 67.71. Alright, I'm getting in when we break this 4-hour low here. I stack 3 near that Asian high. Yes, love it. Love it. Womp, 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 womp. Ooh, got tapped in very quick. Told you guys it was going to be quick. Right, I'm just going to put my stop loss just above the daily flip. Now that it's broken that 4-hour low, I think we pop down. Come on, gold. Do, 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 do. I didn't use the previous candle high because I didn't want to risk reward less than 1-to-1. you know. So we've broken all the lows to the left. Just need to re-break and push. Surprised I didn't get slipped. The way that spiked down. Just need gold to drive down. Be a good little goldie. Came back to make a bit of a longer top wick for this 15. All good. Gold likes to push toward the end of the candle. Hopefully it doesn't make us wait that long. 10 minutes to push. Oh wow. It's like 5 pips from my stop loss. Came right back up to that daily flip. Ooh. Yo, it keeps coming like a pip. Became a pip from my stop. A pip. I thought I was gonna get taken out just there. But these swings on gold are crazy. And there's nowhere for me to actually manage risk with this trade. Because we're using the entry candle, well, not even the entry candle high as a stop loss. I wonder if it was just retesting this broken support here. Got the 4 hours broken the high and the low. Horrible price action. Well, just below here anyway. Oh yeah, I got stopped out now. Damn. That came right back up as soon as I got entered in. Should have taken buys from that entry. Oh, second loss this month. Gold better not flipping. Well, for the sake of your trade, Ash, I hope gold comes back down. But it'd be very annoying if it stopped me out and then continue to drive down. Rosie, I used previous high for stop loss. Oh, see, Rosie, you're so smart. Basically, you're saying you survived and all our suckers got taken out. Basically, that's what you're saying. Oh, crazy. Look at this treachery of gold. Where are you going now? Gold is the worst. I hope it does push down though, for real. Literally it's taken out by like a pip and then come back down. I don't want to have a big stop loss, that's the problem. Two losses in 1 month when the month is about to end. Yeah, it's been decent, not gonna lie. Caught some really good moves. Some really good moves. Caught some big moves, called some big moves. I'm gonna wait for this candle to end. Burger and lobster soon. Yes, yes. You're right, you know. When am I gonna do that? Yo, it got cold over here. It got so cold. But I'm going because I ain't had that in a minute. Yeah, Courtney was talking about, you don't take us burger and lobster, come go with me and Cannon. She got guilt tripped into it, I think. Hey, you need to try it though. It's so good. You work in the city, right? You gotta go there. So good. That's the little what do I normally get? I normally get lobster roll, chips, lobster roll, fries, and salad, and a mojito. A little mojito. So good. It's like a meal. Well, that's what they do over here anyway. Banging. Love it. My little treat. Ooh. Possible re-entries. No drinking for me on the 75-day hard challenge. Ooh, okay. Have some water. Have water with it. Have some juice. Some lobster and orange juice. Or apple juice. That's good though. Hell yeah. But I'll be getting a lobster roll soon. Gold got to pay for it. Damn right, Gold's got to pay for it. Oh my god, what is this? Gold's gonna open and drive straight down. Oh man. The FOMO is real. The FOMO is real. What the hell? This gold just opens up and just drives straight down. Go on, push. Push. Well, it closed below, which is a good sign that it's going to continue down. I'm looking to line up another entry, you know, break of this low. It's just about a 1-to-1, I believe. Previous high 65. Oof, it's not. Nah, let me not force it. Let me not force it, but I do think we drive down some more. Go on, golds. TP's 37.50, 37.47, and 37.36. Basically Asian low, daily engulf, and yesterday's low. Got you, got you, got you. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, okay, okay. Are you just gonna let these positions run? You're not gonna add any more positions, are you? What's crazy is I actually like a retest. I like this retest entry here. This is the entry I was going for before. If price closed below, retested. Now we've got a nice previous high, which is 33 pips. and then ride it all the way down 96 pips. I like that. It's like when I was making a top wick. So much volume, facts, because it's just swinging 30-40 pips up and down like it's nothing. Look at that, right back to the daily flip, drop down, flip bearish, drive. Yeah, I'm gonna leave it here, guys. Yeah, I'm not messing with gold, it's going crazy. But yeah, guys, peace out. Back tomorrow. I think we do have news as well. I think we do have some news tomorrow. What did we say we had? Is it tomorrow? Thursday. Final GDP tomorrow. I will see you guys tomorrow. Same time. Hopefully on time. And yeah, have a good rest of the session. I'll be in the Discord. Hopefully can catch another trade. But yeah, peace.